Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to finish up these changes in our stats. I'm aware it's probably not the most interesting of code to have to get in, but we need to get it done, so let's just get it done, finished, and then we can move on. So I'm in the stats script. Just as before, I've created a comment, green robot stats, and again we're going to just copy and paste the values from the green robot stats script. So let's paste that in. We can get rid of the static. In fact, we need to get the change the font, so this will be the green robot. Again, I've changed left to a capital, and we'll just do that for the others. So one more to do. And again, let's just tidy up the comments. I hope you can forgive if you hear the traffic in the background, but it is actually really warm today. So let's come to the black robot stats script. So let's again copy the code we have in void start, and again we'll paste that in, and we just need to switch out these variables, so it's green left punch, and just as before I'll just copy and paste into the comments. So let's see, green robot right punch. So just two more to go. There's the low kick damage. And finally, for the green robot high kick damage, we'll just paste that, and I'm just going to come back to the black robot stats script. So I have both left and right punch, so I'll swap those out for low kick and high kick. I'll have to go through all the scripts just to make sure I haven't missed any. Let's save all there. We'll just double check that. That's the green robot done. And we've just got to keep going. And I want to get all the ones done in this one video, just so we can move on and start doing some more interesting things. So I'm just going through the same process again, removing the static after pasting in, and just adding pink robot to these ints. So that's all the naming conventions changed. Again, we'll just quickly tidy up the comments. Again, I'll use the black robot stats. Now we've changed the mistakes in the script. Let's paste those into the void start. And again, it's just a case of going through and replacing with the appropriate variable we've just created. So there we go, pink robot left punch, pink robot right punch, that's the one for the low kick, and finally for the high kick, let's just save that all off. We'll close that one for the pink robot, and we've just got the last two to do. So let's just carry on. You've probably noticed I've done all these in alphabetical order. That doesn't really matter, but you know, it's helps keep things nice, neat and organised within your code. So again, just going through and adding red robot to all the naming conventions. We need to get rid of the weird static. Again, we'll just tidy up the comments. And just as before, let's use the black robot script for the red robot. And we'll just go through each one. So, as I said, I'm aware this isn't the most fun coding, but as I said, there is a reason, and that is it will allow us to tweak the values in the stat script while the game is running, and this is going to be extremely important. Fighting games sort of live or die in one sense by their balance in terms of, you know, how the characters are compared to one another. So really want to be able to get to these variables and tweak them until you get a value that's exactly right. It will make things a lot easier when we come to the testing stage. So we're at the last one now for the white robot. And we've just got to change these last variables now. So and just like I said, we can get on to do a lot more interesting things after this, but as I always say with my series, for me, it's okay getting the game up and working, that's great to begin with, but I actually want to make games that people want to play and hence the reason for some of the long coding. I really don't want to create games that, you know, you can impress your friends with when you first show them, but then they're no longer interested. I actually want to do these series so afterwards you've actually got a game that not only works but you will want to play, and hopefully friends and family will also enjoy. End of the day, we put a lot of work in for this when it comes to coding, so we definitely want to enjoy it once we've done. So now I'm just going through. I know I've missed out changing some of the variables, so I've just gone back to Blue Robot. I didn't swap out the low and high kick. I suspect I missed them all in the previous video, so I'm just going to quickly go through and change. So brown robot, actually that one looks to be correct, and just for the sake of a small amount of time. So that's it, they're all checked now. We have the stats script all ready to go, and we can actually begin integrating it into the game, and we'll do that in the very next video. But we'll leave it here for now. As always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.